Good morning, my dear students. In this video, we discuss the previous trigonometry MSET questions. Maximum 9 questions from trigonometry in MSET, 11 from algebra, total 20 from 1A. These 9 questions from trigonometry up to periodicity 4 questions, trigonometric equations 1, inverse trigonometry 1, hyperbolic functions 1. Remaining 2 questions, properties of triangles, total 9 questions. Now we discuss one by one, previous questions. These questions, whatever we discuss the MSET questions, these also useful for your AP MSET. Some of our viewers, one doubt arose recently, that is, what about our AP MSETs are? No difference between TS and MSET. The weightage is same syllabus, no change in pattern is same. So don't bother about that. That's why I discussed some of our previous AP MSET questions also. Now come to our points. First question. Look here. Here an equal to sine power n alpha plus cos power n alpha. A of 1, A of 4 plus A of 2, A2 plus A5, like that. Here let us take alpha equal to pi by 4. So what should happen? An equal to 1 by root 2 whole power n plus 1 by root 2 whole power n. That becomes 2 into 1 by root 2 whole power n. That is nothing but 2 power 1 minus n by 2. So here, my dear students, you observe that A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 all are in GP. All are in GP. You verify that. A1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That means root 2. A2 equal to 1. Common difference is 1 by root 2. Common difference is 1 by root 2. Next, A3, 1 by root 2 multiply 1 by root 2. A4, you can check that. 1 by 2. You can check that. N equal to 4. So, like that you can write A4, A5. A5 is 1 by 2 root 2. A6 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 root 2. Common difference, common ratio is 1 by root 2. In such cases, just we need not check this one. Observe in the question 1 4, that is sum is 5, 2 5, sum is 7, 5 7. In which options sum is 5 7? You check that. Simple logic. First option 3 9, wrong. Second option 7 5, maybe. Most probably that is. Third 4 8, wrong. Fourth one 3 9, wrong. So second option is the right answer. You can check the values. Second option is the right answer. Okay. Now second question. Observe that sin 9 theta by cos 27 theta plus sin 3 theta by cos 9 theta plus sin theta by cos 3 theta equal to k into tan 27 theta minus tan theta. Let us substitute theta equal to pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 3. Here, theta, whenever you substitute theta equal to pi by 3, sin n pi is 0. So, first fraction is 0. Second fraction is 0. Third fraction is denominator. Numerator is sin pi by 3. Denominator is cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So we get minus root 3 by 2. Entire. The sum of 3 fractions become minus root 3 by 2 equal to k into tan n pi is 0. So tan n by 0, tan pi by 3, that is root 3. Minus is there, minus root 3. So here k value is 1 by 2. Therefore k equal to 1 by 2. Simply we get that. By proper substitution, directly we get to k value. K equal to 1 by 2, that is option 3. Question number 3. X equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power n 2n theta. If you expand that, 1 plus cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta plus and so on, infinite GP a by minus r x equal to, so x equal to 1 by 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 by sin square theta. So sin square theta equal to 1 by x. Sin square theta equal to 1 by x. So in the same way, cos square theta equal to 1 by y. From third one, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1 by z. So from these two, 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1. Okay, implies xy equal to x plus y. This is one equation. Next, from this, 1 minus 1 by xy equal to 1 by z, which implies 1 equal to 1 by xy plus 1 by z. By cross multiplication, xyz equal to xyz equal to xy plus z, xy plus z. But here, observe the options. xyz equal to xy plus z. We check that xy plus z is there in the first option, but in LHS is xz plus yz. If you taking common z there, x plus y into z, but x plus y is xy, so xy can be written as x plus y into z. So my dear students, by observing that the first option is the right answer, you can easily verify that first option is the right answer. Why here you use in this xy equal to x plus y into z equal to xy plus z. So xz plus yz equal to xy plus z. That's why first option is the right answer. Now fourth question. If alpha and beta are angles in the first quadrant such that tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta equal to 1 by root 10, sin beta equal to 1 by tan alpha equal to 1 by 7. Sin beta is given 1 by root 10, so tan beta equal 1 by root 10. Root 10 is hypotenuse, 1 is opposite. So adjacent is 10 minus 1 under root 3. That is tan beta is 1 by 3. From this, tan 2 beta is 2 tan beta by 1 minus tan square beta. So 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9. That become 8 by 9. So that is 2 by 9 into 9 by 8. That is 3 by 4. Tan 2 beta is 3 by 4. Look here. M by n. This is m by n. M by n. N minus m by m plus n minus m by m plus n. If the angles are, if the ratios are like that, tan ratios are like that, then alpha plus 2 beta is pi by 4. Otherwise, you calculate the tan of alpha plus 2 beta by using tan a plus b. Simplify that, we get 1. So alpha plus 2 beta is pi by 4. Check that. That is 2. Here the shortcut formula is m by n, n minus m by m plus n. If the ratios are like that, sum of the angles is 45 degree. Next, problem number 5. The period of the function f of x equal to sin 5x cos 3x. Here, sin 5x, by transformation, we can simplify that. We can write that as the sum of two functions applied to, that is f of x equal to 1 by 2 into, fifth question, 1 by 2 into 2 sin a cos b, that is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, that is sin a plus b is sin 8x plus sin difference is 2x. Okay, sin 8x period is 2 pi by 8, 2 pi by 8, 2 pi by 8, that is pi by 4. This is 2 pi by 2, that means pi by 4, pi. So the LCM of pi by 4 and pi is pi. That is alpha. Cos cos pi. Cos pi value is, cos alpha value is, this is alpha. Cos pi, that is minus 1. Minus 1. So that is in fourth option. Problem number 6. When A is irrational, the number of solutions satisfying the equation 1 plus sin square Ax equal to cos x. 1 plus sin square Ax, it is always greater than or equal to 1. But here cos x always less than or equal to 1. So, firstly, this is equal to 1. So, each one is equal to 1. That means cos x equal to 1, x equal to 2n by Ax. That means here x equal to 2n pi. What happened? A is irrational. So 2na is not an integer. Therefore, only one solution, x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is only the one solution. So option number 1. Now seventh problem. 1 plus cos square theta equal to 3 sin theta cos theta. This such type of problems you have to divide with cos square theta. So what happened? Secant square theta plus 1 equal to 3 tan theta. Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. T equal to taken as tan theta. So t square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. T equal to tan theta. From this, t equal to 1 comma 2. That means tan theta equal to 1 comma 2. Theta equal to pi by 4 or tan inverse 1 by tan inverse 2. So, general solution n pi plus pi by 4, n pi plus tan inverse 2. So, option 3. Very simple questions. By observing the question directly, you can write the answer. Need not solve all the entire solution. Next, problem number 8. That is sin inverse y square minus, here two statements are given, sin inverse y square minus 4y plus 6 plus there is plus cos inverse y square minus 4y plus 6 equal to pi by 2. Here y square minus 4y plus 6 is always y minus 2 whole square plus 2. It is always greater than or equal to 2. Sin inverse is not defined. So that equal to pi by 2 is wrong. First option is wrong. First statement is wrong. That means either 2 correct or wrong. Among the options, which one is true? Only one wrong. One is wrong. First option wrong. Only 2, we don't know. Both 1 and 2 is wrong. Next, neither 1 nor 2. So either option 2 or 4. Now depending on 2. Now check that. Here y square minus 4y plus 6, that is always greater than or equal to 2. That sum is pi by 2. Secant inverse and cosecant inverse greater than or equal to 2 well defined. So that is pi by 2 is true. So only 2 is true. Option 2. Now question number 9. It's very interesting question. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x plus tan inverse x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x is also there. So first of all, you have to find the domain of that. Actually, if the function do not contain these terms, tan inverse x, range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But here it was included sin inverse x and cos inverse x. So domain is restricted to minus 1 to 1. So domain is minus 1 to 1. So what happened? This was pi by 2 plus this range is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So therefore range is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Therefore range is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So option, third option. Here now question number 10. tan h inverse 1 by 2. Tan h inverse x equal to half log 1 plus x by 1 minus x, where mod x less than 1. So here tan h inverse 1 by 2 is half log 1 plus x, x is 1 by 2, 1 minus x, where mod x is less than 1 condition, plus cot h inverse 3, cot h inverse x is half log x plus 1 by x minus 1, where x is greater than 1, mod x greater than 1. So that is 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. By simplifying this, it is half 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 log 3, taking common half. This is log 2, 4 by 2 log 2, half log 6. So option is log root 6. First option is correct. Next, 11th question. Question number 11. X equal to log of cot pi by 4 plus theta sin hx. Sin hx is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. E power x is now here sin hx e power x minus e power minus x by 2. E power log that become cot pi by 4 plus theta minus e power minus log that become cot inverse, cot pole inverse, that means tan, that become tan pi by 4 plus theta. Here angles are same. Cot A minus tan A, that is 2 cot 2A. So 2 cot double angle pi by 4 plus theta by 2. 2 cancel. Cot 2 multiply that pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Cot pi by 2 plus 2 theta, that is minus tan 2 theta. Now here option is 4. Option 4. Next, question number 12. We can easily solve that question. Tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Tan A by 2, we have a half angle formula in properties of triangles. That we discuss in properties of triangle. I made a video in properties of triangle. Observe that tan A by 2, that is delta by s into s minus a. Tan B by 2, delta by s into s minus b. Taking common delta by s. After taking common 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s minus b, taking LCM s minus a into s minus b, that become 2s minus of a plus b, that is c. C by that. Now here delta by s minus a into s minus b, that is c by s into delta by s minus a into s minus b, that is cot c by 2. Multiply up and down to 2c cot c by 2 by 2s. 2s means a plus b plus c. Now check the option. That is option 2. Simply we can decide that. Now question number 13. That is here statement type questions are given. You have to verify first statement and second statement individually. They are true or false. You have to decide. Sometimes what happen here, the given statement is true or false. Sometimes that happens. So dear students, read the question clearly. True, what the question is given, true or false, which one you have to find out. Be careful. First one. In triangle ABC, C equal to 6, cos C is minus 11 by 25, or from cos C you have to find sin C. Sin C is opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25. Opposite is 625 minus 121, that is nothing but 504 under root. 504 can be written as 9 into 9, definitely 9, as well as 4 also there. 504, you check that. 9, 5 times 56, again 4, 14. So 9 into 4, that means 36. 6 root 14. 6 root 14 by 25, that is sin C. But here we want R. 2 are equal to, from sine rule, c by sine c. C is given as 6. So 6 by this. 6 by 6 root 14 by 25. That become 25 by root 14. That is 2r. So we want r, that is 25 by 2 root 14. Check the option. Option is actually it is the statement type problem. Statement type problem. R is given as 25 by 2 root 14. We get r equal to 25 by 2 root 14. So first statement is true. So here answer is either 1 or both 1 and 2, because 1 is true. Now here 2, second statement, that can be easily decide that. My dear students, observe that here a equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 6. What? Given ABC is acute angle triangle. Clearly here, a square plus b square, 9 plus 16, 25, it is less than c square, 36. That means a square plus b square minus c square less than 0. That indicates c is up, angle c is obtuse. Angle c is obtuse. From cosine rule, cos c equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, that is less than 0. Cos c is less than 0. C is obtuse. So it is an obtuse angle triangle, not acute angle triangle. 2 is false. 2 is false. First statement is that is true. So only one option, first option. Next, 14. These are belongs to properties of triangles. So the questions are very easy. 14, you observe that is in triangle ABC, sigma a cube cos b minus c. Let us verify that ABC is an equilateral triangle. That means A equal to B equal to C. Automatically the angles, each angle is equal to 60. Verify that a cube cos 0 is 1. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube, a equal to b equal to c. So 3a cube. Let us verify the options. First option a cube, second option 3a wrong, third option 2a cube wrong, fourth option 3a cube. That's why fourth option is correct. By verification, we can easily decide the answer. So 14th question is fourth option. Now last question, 15th question, that is R1 sigma R1 minus R by A. R1 is, we have a direct formula actually. R1 equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Small r is 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Taking common 4R sin A by 2. After that cos B by 2 cos C by 2 minus sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. That is cos of B plus C by 2. That is sin A by 2. So 4R square, direct formula, R1 minus R is 4R square, 4R sin square A by 2 by R1 minus R is 4R sin square A by 2. It is the standard result. We can easily prove that. Small r equal to 2R sin A. Write down sin A, half angle formula, that is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. 4R cancel, sin A by 2 cancel, we get sigma tan A by 2. But R1 equal to S tan A by 2, we have a formula. So tan A by 2 is R1 by S sigma, R1 by S. If we expand this, R1 plus R2 plus R3 by S, R1 plus R2 plus R3 by S. Observe that. That is first option. First option is the right answer. So, dear students, in this video, we can easily answer the trigonometric questions. Simple questions are there. So, if you concentrate, definitely some of the questions by verification can easily decide that. So don't neglect the trigonometry. Okay, now in the next video we are going to the geometry. Oh, within today or 2 day after tomorrow we will plan that. Okay, my dear students, bye. Thank you.